5 at Port of Palm Beach.
Those bump outs there? Up there between the light posts. You see those rounded bump outs between the light posts? You see what I'm looking at? You see the row of light posts, right?
Oh, right, up there. That's all the balcony?
Yep. On this particular. Yes. Straight ahead.
Yep.
Oh no. Where's the handicap parking at? I guess I'll find out when I get up here. We paying the 20. How you doing? Where's the handicap parking?
So we don't have any more handicap over here. ¿Dónde la vas a poner? Ahí. We're gonna put you in a disabled veteran spot, okay?
Thank you.
And it's gonna be free parking since you have handicap in your house.
Thank you. Alrighty.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Hang right here?
Yes, make it right here.
Okay. Mm-hmm. 88 veterans. Up here, he's gonna open one for me. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Can you move that coin? Oh, he got it. No problem. That's what I'm talking about. Well, this port is different than Miami.